How can I prevent access to WordPress files? This is critical for protecting your intellectual property and site security. Prevent Direct Access Gold simplifies file protection with single-click methods that handle the technical work automatically. Let's explore these simple methods to secure WordPress files. Once you install the plugin in your WordPress dashboard, click Activate. Now you're ready to protect your files. Single-click protection. This is the fastest way to protect WordPress files. Go to Media Library in List View. Select any file and click Configure File Protection. Then click Protect this file. After protecting the file, decide which user roles can access it in the File Access Permission tab. Download links can also be created to enable private sharing. Click Auto-Generate New Link to create one instantly. These links can be customized and set to expire. You can also create a custom link and name it as you wish. The protected link at the top is your original file URL. Only users who meet your access rules can view it. WordPress Attachment Page. When adding attachments to pages or posts, protect files directly through the attachment page. The attachment page is where you edit individual file details in WordPress. You can access it by clicking on any file name in your media library. Once you select your file, find the Prevent Direct Access section and click Protect this file. Set protection by file type or user type. Once you've saved your settings, the file is now protected. If someone without the proper permissions tries to access the file, they'll be blocked and redirected to a login screen or see a 404 error, depending on your configuration. File Protection Pop-up and Grid View. Check protection status or secure new assets using the Configure File Protection pop-up. In Media Library List View, click Configure File Protection. The pop-up shows if items are protected. Click Protect this file to secure them instantly. You can also protect files in Grid View. Simply click any thumbnail, find the Prevent Direct Access Gold section, and select Protect this file. Auto-protect new uploads. This is the ultimate solution for protecting WordPress files from attacks. Go to PDA Gold Settings and simply enable the Auto-protect new file uploads feature to automatically protect all new uploads, documents, PDFs, videos, everything. How can I prevent access to WordPress files? Use Prevent Direct Access Gold's protection methods to secure files at every stage without coding. Subscribe for more WordPress security tips that actually work.